Patricia, and welcome to the show, Patricia! Today we have a very special woman in our show, me. No, I'm not. But we do have another one. Please give a warm welcome to a great writer, Stefania Quinn! Sit down, please. Thank you. Oh my god, your hair is amazing.
Thank you so much.
You must be a Rihanna fan.
No. May I ask you from where you're getting that vibe?
Well, from your hair, I mean, Rihanna has that kind of hair now.
You mean dreads?
No, the Rihanna hair. Look.
Well, do you realize that Rihanna is not the only person who has, or should I say, has had that kind of hair?
Really? Like who?
Well, for example, Bob Marley.
Oh! Oh my god, so stupid of me. Duh. I mean, I'm so glad that he won Nobel Prize for Literature, right?
No. That was Bob Dylan.
I'm sorry, he was a dealer?
Well, can we talk about my book now, please?
Yes, of course. So, your new book is shit.
Oh.
No, her book is called shit. Oh, you thought... Oh, you. No, her book is the shit. Get it? So, your new book is about a poop that comes to life and kill children.
Well, that kind of sums it up. But it goes much deeper than that. Shit is a metaphor for life, you know? Growing up sucks. You just can't escape it. In my book, some of the children tried not to poop, so they wouldn't be killed by their own shit. But that, of course, killed them too. You just have to do it, you know? You just have to deal it, even if it's killing you.
Wow. That's just... It shut my mouth. I mean... And that really happens, right, audience? So, why horror?
Why not? I mean, I was always a fan of horror movies and books. Of course, I would write them too. My role model was Stephen King. However, there were a few people who actually supported me. And when I started saying I want to be a writer, they were just like, that's not a real job. And then I said,
I agree 100%. I mean, look at Kendall and Kylie Jenner. Everyone was saying that they were stupid, but no, they have written a book. 2 actually. So if they can follow their dream, so can you.
I don't think that's a good example, since they can actually do whatever they want.
You should take off your shirt because it's so hot in here. It's so hot in here. It's getting complicated. I'll take my body off. Get into heaven. Yeah. Okay, that was a bad idea actually because we have to finish it up anyway. So let's go.